Today we're continuing with part 4 of the huge epic haul. I am going to unbox these two lovely ladies from Dynasty so that you can see them, and I hope that you're going to enjoy it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out of the box off camera, and then I'm going to show you what they look like after I've done that, so it doesn't take too long me trying to get them out of the box, but I will show you the boxes close up. Believe this one is supposed to be Krystal Carrington, and it says Dynasty Barbie Collector pink label, and it's clear on this side. Sorry for the glare. And on this side it says Dynasty. It has the regular stuff on the bottom. And on the back, these were designed by Nolan Miller. And it says Dynasty, greed, seduction, betrayal, revenge. Dynasty had it all and more. Down here at the bottom it says, from January 12th, 1981 to May 11th, 1989, Dynasty kept us glued to our TVs with its primetime soap opera. The story revolved around rich and powerful oil tycoon Blake Carrington, his former secretary and current wife, Krystal Carrington, and scheming ex-wife, Alexis Carrington Colby, could always be counted on for a cataclysmic catfight. Barbie celebrates those gloriously decadent drama divas dressed in gowns inspired by the original Nolan Miller designs. And it says Barbie Collector. It's a Barbie world, we just play in it. And it says pink label, black label collection, gold label, platinum label collection. Doll stand included. So that's what this one says. And the front says, if you want a rematch, just whistle if you can. That's money. This one is supposed to be Alexis, and it says, that sounds like a challenge, and I adore a challenge. It has all the same things. Clear on one side, Dynasty on the other side, and the same exact sentiment on the back. So that's what they look like in the box, and I can't wait to get these ladies out. So I'm going to hit pause here, take them out, that way you can see what they look like. I've released them from their boxes, and let me tell you, I'm glad I did that off camera. It would have taken forever, and you would have seen my frustration. There were so many things holding these dolls in. I literally had to take their shoes off their feet to get them out because they had these weird things looped around their feet. And I had to cut the stays out of their hairs. I really, really hate that. I don't know why they do that. But anyway, they are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just look at this face. This face is epic. I love this face. I don't really think it looks like, I believe her name's Joan Collins? Yeah, I think that's who played Alexis. Like, I don't know because I've, you know, was barely a baby, but I just thought that this was a really pretty doll. It does resemble her slightly, like the hairstyle and everything, but she had pretty bad box hair. I tried to fluff it so that you could see it. It is really pretty for a short style. Sometimes when they do short styles on dolls, they don't look very well, but this one I really like. With the dark hair and the smoky eyes and the beautiful lips and all these, oh my goodness, all these bracelets. There's 2 on this arm. There's 1 on this arm, and the ring and the nails being painted. I love the nails being painted. It's so cute. She's got really pretty earrings too. Very shiny. And I think her eyes are like a very smoky like gray blue. I've never seen that color before. It's just really, really pretty. Like, I love all the accessories, the necklace, and the quality. I miss the old quality of the collector dolls. I really do. The quality of the gown, like the fabric isn't my favorite, but I mean, it works. It's beautiful, and the way they did it, the way they executed it is really, really well. I believe she's a model muse body. That's what it looks like. Look at her cute little feet with the painted toenails and the gold shoes. I love these strappy shoes. I wish they had more of these in like the fashion packs that you could buy with these different designs like this. These are so cute. And on the inside of the dress, of course, it says Barbie Collector. Let's see what it says on the back of her neck. 1998 Mattel. Look at the snaps. Love the snaps. Bottom one's not sewn on too well. This one here. Let's see. Oh, it's way down here. 2009 Mattel Indonesia is where it says her year. I don't know if you can make that out, but really nicely made. Like, I can't believe I got this doll for $7, literally $7. It was $6.95. Don't know if I showed you a close-up of that on the boxes, but they were $6.95 each for these beautiful dolls. And I do believe, I think the model muse body is my favorite. Like, I go back and forth, but I really, really love, just because I like making ball gowns and things, I just love the way this gown, this kind of body can hold a gown. Sorry. Like the way it can carry it. It's just really, really pretty. I'm going to try and get her to balance there. They did have stands, but I just didn't want to take the stands out. If I can't get her to balance, I'll just lay her down. There we go. And they have these in both. Certificate of Authenticity. I just thought you might like to see that. Pink label, collector. No numbered edition, but I don't mind. I just think they're beautiful. Now this girl, she looks more like the actress to me. The way they sculpted her. And especially the hair. I hate that the hair is... I don't know if you can hear that. It's so hard. Like, look at this. Crispy hair. I get that they have to do that so that it stays in the box, but I just really hate it because I always wash it out and, you know, make it nice. I don't like feeling that. That's not pleasant. But the doll itself to me is gorgeous. Same thing with the other lovely accessories. I miss them having beautiful accessories like this. Her makeup is gorgeous. I love the pale mauve lip with the smoky eye and her blue eyes, which are completely different than the other one's blue eyes. I just absolutely love it. I love the face mold on this. Really gorgeous. Beautiful necklace too. Love the necklace. Painted fingernails. They match the same color as her lips. Love the ring. I'm getting little sparklies on me from her dress. So beautiful. And look at these shoes. I don't know if you can see it, but they have iridescent, where it's like in the light they kind of shine like purpley and green. Probably can't make that out, but it's really, really nice. These are really, really nice shoes. And I really like the, let's see if I can get to focus, the little buckle detail. I know it's very small. You know, these are slingbacks and they're really plain, and that is a small detail, but I really, really like it. There we go, that's better. Really good. Really good shoes, and this material is really soft. I really like this. Barbie collector, just like the other one. And I don't know if I can get under here to see what it says on her neck. Looks like 1991. Oh, her hair's so crunchy. I'm definitely gonna fix that. I can't handle the hair being all crunchy like that. And ooh, 3 snaps. 2009 Mattel Indonesia on her back. This gown, like, I'm snapping it back up, and these gowns are just beautiful. The quality. Whoops. Heard something fall. But, I mean, these are just absolutely beautiful. Oh, it was her shoe. I knew I heard something fall. I found it. Shoe back on. But these are just, I can't believe I got these for $7 each. These are such beautiful dolls. Trying to get her to balance there. I'm so glad I was able to snag these dolls because, I mean, $7. You can't go wrong with $7. If you want to see, just to be sure. See, $6.95. Can't believe it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my beautiful Dynasty thrifted epic haul girls. They really are gorgeous. I hope I did them justice because I've not seen an unboxing of these dolls. That's why I figured I'd do it. They're just really gorgeous, and I hope that all the other collectors out there get lucky and find great deals like I did. It's the best. It really is fun, and I'm glad I'm getting to share them with you. Thank you so much to everyone who's watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my old subscribers. Thank you to everyone. I am completely overwhelmed by the niceness and the greatness of the doll community. You really are wonderful. So thank you for that. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please do take care. Give us a comment. Give us a like. Please subscribe because we're going to have more fun here. I have videos planned. I'm working on stuff behind the scenes, getting other things ready for everybody, so I hope you're ready. Have a great day. Take care. I'll see you soon, and I guess we're going for part 5 to unbox those other dolls. Have a great day.